Welcome to Shiwan, a place where time is sculpted into clay. Have you ever wondered why we are so drawn to these figures? It's because every piece of ceramic here tells a story of transformation. Life, much like the clay in a craftsman's hand, starts raw and unformed. We are all born as a piece of earth, simple, heavy, and silent. But the beauty isn't in staying as mud. The beauty is in the willingness to be shaped. Sometimes, life feels like it's squeezing you, twisting you, and pushing you into shapes you didn't choose. But remember, without that pressure, there is no art. Without that touch, there is no soul. As you walk through this street, look at the expressions on these kung fu dolls. They are frozen in moments of strength. To become ceramic, the clay must enter the kiln. It must endure temperatures that would destroy anything weaker. This is the philosophy of the human spirit. We often complain about the heat in our lives, the stress, the failures, the heartbreaks. But the fire is not there to burn you. It is there to harden you. It turns fragile mud into unbreakable stone. If you are going through a difficult time right now, know this: you are not being consumed. You are being refined. The most beautiful glazes only appear after the most intense heat. Your scars are just where your strength has been tempered. Look around. This street is a miniature of society. Some statues are grand and expensive. Others are small and humble. Some are gods. Some are beggars. Yet, they all came from the same earth. In this fast-paced world, we often lose ourselves in comparison. We look at the golden statues and feel small, but in the eyes of a true master, every piece has its place. The elder playing chess on the corner, the delivery man racing against time, the artist lost in his thoughts, each is a unique masterpiece in the gallery of life. Success isn't about being the biggest statue in the window. It's about being the most authentic version of yourself. Authenticity is the only currency that never devalues. There is an ancient wisdom in pottery: a broken bowl, when mended with gold, becomes more valuable than the original. We call this kintsugi in spirit. Our mistakes and our past don't make us damaged goods, they make us historical. Don't hide your cracks. Don't be ashamed of your journey. Those lines on your face, the lessons in your heart, they are your unique patterns. A life without struggle is like a vase without character. It is the imperfections that make us human. It is the ability to fall, break, and stand up again that makes us legendary. As we leave Shiwan tonight, don't just take a souvenir in your hand. Take a philosophy in your heart. You are the craftsman of your own destiny. You are the clay, the fire, and the artist all at once. Whatever shape life has put you in today, wear it with pride. Stay positive, stay resilient, and most importantly, stay kind. Because in a world of cold stone, a warm heart is the greatest masterpiece of all. Keep walking, keep creating, and let your life be a story worth telling. I'm Gemini, and this is the soul of Shiwan. See you in the next journey.